Hello friends, welcome to your channel Phenomen. Today we will be discussing the multi-bagger mutual fund that has given an excellent return over a past period of 1 year. We have in this video we have not taken the data from the March 2020 because in March 2020 the Nifty has bottomed out somewhere around 7,000 to 7,500. If we had taken that data, then this mutual fund have performed more than 100% return. However, we have taken the data from the October 4th 5th October 2020 to till date, that is 4th October 2021, where in October 2020 Nifty was somewhere around 11,500. It means it was somewhere near to the pre-COVID level. Still, these mutual fund have performed extremely well and beating the FD return as well. In this video, we have chosen all category of mutual fund, that is large cap, mid cap, small cap and tax saver mutual fund, by taking care of all kinds of investor, that is if the investor is aggressive investor or conservative investor, or if he wants to take a tax benefit, that is want to make a tax planning for his income tax purpose, that also we have considered in this video. Now here we goes for the 11 best mutual fund that has given multi-bagger return in the last period of 1 year. On the 11th number coming on SBI's SBI Focused Equity Fund. For your information, in this mutual fund SBI has invested in 60% in the large cap stock, whereas in mid and small cap 40%. This is just for information. Now first, SBI Focused Equity Fund, 11th number, category is focused. Why focused? Because this kind of fund invest in very narrow range, that is 25 to 30 mutual fund stocks is selected for this mutual fund. Only 25 to 30 stock, very limited stock. That's why it has named as focused fund. AUM means asset under management, the size of the mutual fund. Here it is 19,429 crore. Now important 1 year return, it has given us extremely well, 69% return, beating the FD also. FD just give in 1 year 6 to 7% return, whereas it has almost performed 9 to 10 times than the FD. So very fantastic return it has given. Expense ratio for this mutual fund is only 0.71%. Very good performance by SBI Focused Equity Fund. Now on the 10th number, it is coming Axis Focused 25 Fund. Name also suggests that this mutual fund has already invested in 25 stocks only. Here this mutual fund has invested 90% in the large cap stock and 10% in the mid and small cap. Category same, focus, because it has focused only 25 stocks. Fund size is 19,736 crore. 1 year return, fantastic return, 63%. Expense ratio is 0.060. Very good performance. Now this is next on the 9th number coming UTI Value Opportunity Fund. Now the category of this mutual fund is value fund. Value fund means these mutual fund only purchase the stock when this stock is very attractive and valued at a very lower level. That's why names suggests that it is valued fund. AUM is fund size, that is 6545 crore, very lower AUM. Now 1 year return is fantastic, again 61% return in 1 year horizon period is very fantastic. Expense ratio is little bit high, that is 1.28%. Now on the 8th number, very my favorite mutual fund, DSP Tax Saver Fund. This mutual fund is for those who wants to make tax saving in their income tax return. That's why category is ELSS Equity Link Scheme is given name Tax Saver Fund. AUM is very small, 9675, very attractive mutual fund. 1 year return is super duper return, 71% it has delivered. Expenses so is very good, attractive, 0.87% only. Next 7 and my favorite also, Axis Long Term Equity Fund. Category is same, ELSS Tax Saver Fund. AUM is fund size 33, little bit high. 1 year return is extremely fantastic, 63%. Expense ratio is very lower, 0.77%. On 6th number Coming ICICI Prudential Multi-Cap Fund. Multi-Cap Fund means large cap, mid cap, small cap. This fund has considered three kind of stocks. AUM is very little, 6381 crore, and fantastic return of 70% in 1 year. Super duper return. Expense ratio is little bit high, 1.05. Then on fifth number, Axis Small Cap Fund. It is a small cap. This mutual fund invest in small cap companies. So it is small cap. AUM, asset under management, is only little, 7095 crore. 1 year is super and fantastic and mind blowing return, 81%. Who will give 81% return in a period of 1 year? Super performance by Axis Small Cap. Expense ratio is just little bit, very little, 0.39%. Wow, very good. And fourth number, SBI Small Cap Fund. Category is same, small cap. AUM is 9714. 1 year return is fantastic, 75%. Expense ratio is little bit high as compared to Axis, 0.80. Axis mid cap is on number 3. Category mid cap. It all invest in mid cap category stocks. Fund size is little bit high, 14,800 crore. 1 year return again 66, fantastic performance. Expense ratio is very attractive, 49%. On second number is very fantastic mutual fund, Canara Robeco Emerging Equity. Canara Robeco is category is large cap and mid. It has combination of large and mid and not invested in small cap. AUM is very attractive, near to the 11,000, that is to be precise 10,985 crore. 1 year return is again fantastic, 64%, and expense ratio is 0.62. Now on the first category, everyone's favorite, Axis Blue Chip Fund. It's very popular fund and everyone has heard of this fund. Axis Mutual Fund category is superb, large cap. Blue chip name is suggest large cap fund. This fund only invest in large cap category fund. Those who don't want to take risk, go for this mutual fund. AUM is very high because everybody is investing in this fund, so AUM is naturally will increase. 32,213 crore, attractive AUM. 1 year return is just 52% is very fantastic return, and expense ratio is very attractive, that is 0.46%. Now we are next on your screen, coming the summary of this mutual fund which we have already discussed. I conclude that from 11 mutual fund, the Axis Small Cap Mutual Fund has outperformed all these mutual fund. That is, it given a fantastic return of 81%, having lower expense ratio of 0.39%, and having lower AUM, that is fund size 7095. You can just look at the screen and just analyze the mutual fund, how we have taken the NAV of 5th October 2020. As you can see, an NAV to 4th October, and 1 year return, and expense ratio, and total AUM. You can just take the screenshot if you want. As you can see that almost every mutual fund has given a more than 60% return, which is very good by performance by mutual fund. Hope you enjoy the video.